Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Black Shark 4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll down, choose password and security over here, click on screen lock and select one of the locking methods. Click on the chosen one, wait 5 seconds and tap on got it. Now you need to enter your login method and repeat it. After that, select confirm at the bottom right corner. And if you want to add your fingerprint, go into add. I don't want to, so I will go with cancel. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!